All right, guys, welcome back to Sean's Classic Trucks. Check out what we have stumbled upon. We are a cabover channel. We're not anti-conventional, but we just love the old cabovers, especially the ones like this that have got great history and they need to be saved. Can't say we're going to save this one, but it will be considered. I want to know what you guys think. Let's check this thing out. Let's take a closer look. There's good, bad, and ugly. This company here bought it and another one brand new. As you see, number 11, one owner truck. So the history is solid. Used to have torsion bar suspension. Later on got replaced with spring. I just talked to the owners, great people. They'd like to see it restored. They're maybe gonna do it themselves, but they don't know for sure. They're thinking about it. Maybe it'll be you. Let's take a closer look here. Cummins. I think that's a small cam. Small cam versus big cam, you gotta look at the cam followers. Also, it says big cam right there to make it obvious. Climb up in here. Hopefully nothing bites us. I guess you call that a sleeper, or do you call that a napper? Not much of a sleeper, but hey, that's how they did it back then. I'm pretty sure the interior would clean up okay. You never know until you get into it, but I do want to know your thoughts, guys. Comment down below. Kenworth parts can be a challenge from this era. If you know where to get them, comment down below. I've heard of a few places. That little data plate right there shows the history. Here we go. Might be too dark for you guys to read that, but the VIN numbers were small back then. May of 1974. Seats not much, but legroom wise, I'm 6'4", not too bad. Shifter feels okay, not too loose. 3-point contacts, safety first, especially with the cabovers. You could probably clean that, fix that up, patch that up all right. Starting fluid. There is some damage on the side. It's very, it's always worse when you get into it, but oh. How bad is this, guys? I'm still learning body work. I think that's fiberglass. My body work knowledge is limited, but I want to know what you guys think. What would it take to straighten all that out? Too much, not worth it. Do want to know your thoughts. Battery box on the passenger side. She might clean up all right. I didn't hear about the visor. I don't know if they have one or not. That's different. Let's take a look from this angle. Oh. I just saw all the documents to this thing. They ran it for years. It's fun finding all this history just to prove that it's authentic. Yeah. Not too much room here, but hey, 1974. If you guys got a truck like this, what would you do with it? Work it, play, pull an RV with it. Let me see if I get down safely here. There we go. We love the Cabovers here, guys. We want to save every single one that we can. Cool paint schemes, man. You gotta love the way they did paint schemes back in the day. A lot of different ones. See if I can safely climb up on the back. Oh, that rear hitch pintle hook assembly, that comes in handy. Somebody probably shot that thing out. 125-inch wheelbase. So, yeah, probably not the smoothest riding truck, but yeah. If you've driven, you know it. Kind of cool the way it's got one pipe, one air intake. Kind of neat. Too much work, guys. Good project. It's tough, but it's worth saving them. Old trucks are getting cooler and cooler as time goes on. We love them here. So, well, we'll see what comes of this one. Meanwhile, stay tuned. We got more footage on the way. Thank you.